Hey guys, it's Devvy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Thrustmaster eSwap X Pro controller. Real quick, I apologize for the whack setup. This is a new channel, getting into this. You know, eventually I'll have a nice setup and stuff. But thank you for being here at the start of the channel, the start of the adventure. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So just taking a quick look at the box, you know, it's the Thrustmaster, it's a T-Mod, ultra durability, 5 million plus button presses, you know, it's got the whole shebang. It's a pretty pricey controller, so you know you're getting what you pay for. It's optimized for Windows 10, Xbox, you know, it comes with its own software and stuff. So yeah, it's a really nice controller. Unboxing is probably my favorite part of it. Yeah, so the presentation's it's there. Presentation's super nice. We got a Thrustmaster bag, you know, that you can put your controller in. It's got like the manual and some other stuff in here. Yeah, it's just all this stuff, like how to use it and whatnot. But we've got the controller. And you know, this is the nice thing about the controller. You can swap the different modules out, even this stick over here. For example, if you wanted the Xbox layout, you would have the stick up here. If you wanted to switch over to having the stick right here, it would be the PlayStation layout, you definitely can do so. And for me personally, this is the perfect controller because you know, growing up, I had both PlayStation and Xbox. There's certain games where I like having the PlayStation feel, and there's certain games where I like having the Xbox feel. So for me personally, it's a no-brainer. And, you know, the quality is just immaculate. I am going to take this inside and do a sound acoustic testing so you guys can, you know, get an idea of the build quality and stuff. But, you know, for the rest of the unboxing, we have a couple of replacement sticks. So the ones that come pre-installed, they like sink down in, your finger just like sinks into it. And this is the complete opposite right here. I call these domes. If you can see it, yeah. And it like extrudes out a little bit. So you have a couple of options there if you wanted to switch back and forth. If you wanted to, you could. So also we have this box here. It just comes with a little treat. Also comes with the cord and also this little screwdriver tool adapter thing that you can use to pull out the D-pad one if you wanted to, and it's also got the screwdriver for if you want to, I believe it's for the bumpers? Oh, the triggers, yeah. So it's really nice. You can get different triggers, you can get different grips, you can get different colored modules, different sticks, of course. There's just a lot of options of what you can do with this controller. Like there's even Forza. Forza has their own module where it's like a little steering wheel thing, and I guess it's a little bit more precise for racing games. Not really sure exactly about that specific module, that modular piece, but yeah, there's a lot of different pieces that you can get, swap out, make the controller yours, personalize it, you know, that whole thing. But like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take this in, do the sound acoustic testing. I'm gonna play with the controller, do my testing with it. But yeah, let's go.
So yeah guys, I've been using this controller for about a week now. I've been using it in a lot of games. Real quick, I'm going to be upfront and say if you have small hands, this may not be a good fit for you. This controller feels slightly bigger than other controllers, and it took a little bit of getting used to. Me personally, I swap between the PlayStation and Xbox layouts. I don't really stick to one specific layout, which is really why I love this controller. The build quality itself is really good. It's made out of plastic, but it's like super sturdy, super durable plastic, it just feels high quality, honestly. It never slips out of my hands, and the sticks don't slip. They feel very accurate. I really love the hair trigger stoppers. Even the detachable cord is high quality too. It really feels like I got a solid control of what I'm doing in game. It really does. That does not mean I'm good though. Like, really, I'm not good. For games like Rocket League though, I feel like this controller helps a lot. And not really for improving my skill, but it improves my comfort, and because of that, I've noticed it kinda in turn boosts my skill anyway. All in all, I would rate this thing probably a solid 10 out of 10. I genuinely love it.
Let's go!
And look, I even tried it out in Counter-Strike.
Nice. I'm blind! How do I buy? Oh. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, let's just say it was one of the experiences of all time. But looky, I was starting to pick it up. Even my recoil control was actually surprisingly good.
Let's go! Let's go! I'm the best on controller!
But that does not mean I'm good.
Nice. I distracted him.
But yeah, that wraps up this Thrustmaster controller video. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you would like to see more content, I've got a lot more planned out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.